Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm doing a Stock Lock Sunday video. I've got this ABUS 83 WP, hold on, let me get some focus. WP 53, so this is a Extreme, ABUS Extreme, yeah, 83 WP 53, so WP waterproof, I'm not sure. Alrighty, so I got two of these a while ago on eBay and they came with standard drivers. I have repinned this a long while back. I think I put a serrated and 5 spools from memory because I did that to both of them. So yeah, anyway, it's got a C4 keyway. It's got this little dust or water cover, I guess. Yeah, I'm not too sure. 6-pinner, your bitting. Nothing spectacular, a couple of lows down the front, and yeah. Anyway, so it's got a sprung core, no shackle spring, non-key retaining. Thought let's give it a pick. Alrighty, let's get our ice. There we go. And this thing's going to be a bit of a pain in the bum, but oh. Alrighty, so let's get tensioner. C4 usually goes with this one, so that'll be good, I think. Yes. And my favourite pick, the B shoe. Start off with the B shoe and see how we go. There he is. Yep, cool. Alrighty, so okay, let's get the camera set up. Sorry, it is night time here at the moment, so bit of a black background and a black lock, so I do apologise. Yeah, it's got a bit of slop in it, so yeah, I think I've got some spools in there. Alrighty, so first one is binding. Okay, straight into a false set. One is definitely set. Okay, 2 is giving me counter. Okay, 2. Okay, 3 now. Just touched 3 and it moved a little bit. I think it's in the belly of the spool now. There we go, set him all the way there. Okay, 4. Once again, in the belly of the spool. 4. Okay, into 5 here. Okay, 5 is giving me, oh geez, I'm really stuck up to 5. 5 is really binding. Just loosen off a bit of tension. Okay, felt some movement. There we go. I think that's 5 set. That leaves 6 down the back. Okay. Scurred past it and more of a false set. So in the belly of the spool again. Try to get onto 6 here. Okay. Oh, heard things dropping. Okay, I've set 6, but things have dropped. So let's go through the stack again. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. 3. Okay, here we go. 4. Alright, so we've got 4 here. Oh, a few more things dropped. Yeah, 5. Perhaps I should have started from the back. Okay, that's 5. 6 is dropped. Okay, let's try to set 6. Everything's dropped already. Lost the false set. I think I need to get a more counter there. Oh, and we got him. Awesome. There we go. Open. Very nice. Alrighty. So, this one's got a Phillips head. Okay. I love my ABUS locks. I just love them. I reckon they're great quality, nice pick, really well put together. There we go, should be good there. Pull, drop out. There we go. I'm not going to dismantle this one because I've got to take that little ring out. It's inside of there, and they can be a bit of a pain without the right tool, so I'm going to leave it as is. Okay, got screws back on this one. There are a few various types of ABUS cores. I found got one off Amazon that was from the US, and it had a totally different backing. It had a little pin in here so it wouldn't over rotate, and a circlip, a C-clip. And I've seen others with like a viewing window. Actually, I might do a video one day on all the ABUS, different ABUS cores I got. It's quite interesting how different they can be. Alrighty, so let's get this guy. And a follower. Key pins here. There we go, so that's the way she had to be picked, so nothing too crazy. Just a nice cruisy stock lock Sunday bitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nothing special about the core. Come on. Alright. Okay, down the business end. Right, okay. Go from the front. So yeah, we've got a serrated. Spool. Yeah, I think all these are going to be spools. So. Steel springs, nice steel springs in this one. Flying. Alrighty, so just show you guys the pins. There we go, let's get some focus on there. Alright, so all standard key pins, I think the lab key pins. One serrated at the front, as you can see it's got those light serrations. And 5 spools and all steel springs. Cool, no worries. So that was the ABUS WP53 Series Z. Is the extreme one. I'm not sure what that means, but yeah, I think it's just weatherproof mostly. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.